Happy 53rd Mansari. Last Mansari na natin to as an unmarried couple. It may have took us 53 months to get here, pero sabi nga nila, it's worth the wait.
Thank you. Pamunas lang.
Yan, no? Kay ate, I love you so much.
Like a story, don't know where it'll go. Oh, but I see all that I need to know. It's standing right in front of me.
Ikaw ang nagparamdam sa akin na pwede pala akong mahalin nang hindi pinipilit. You made me feel that I'm worthy of unconditional love that I've never felt before.
Hindi man ako perpekto, pinapangako kong mamahalin ka ng wagas at totoo. Hindi ako mapapagod at magsasawa kahit mabilis kang magalit. Lagi kitang pipiliin at susundin.
Again, under the sunlit sky. Oh, I know.
Mahal kita, Iben! Grateful ako dahil minahal mo ko nung mga panahong walang-wala ako. Ngayon, meron na akong na-accomplish na ilang mga bagay. Masasabi kong ang dahilan nito ay si God at ikaw. Love, pinapangako ko sa mata ng mapanghusgang mundong ito, sa single mom na katulad mo, gusto kong patunayan na may isang ako.
There's nowhere I'd rather be. Oh, it's right where we belong. Oh, there's a million stars up overhead. Still I would find you right here all over again. Under the sunlit sky. Oh, I know it's true. Oh, I would wait a lifetime, never look back. If it would bring me right here, this moment we had. There's nothing I won't do. Oh, I know it's true. That I'll always be falling for you. Be falling for you.
Magpasalamat kayong walang hanggan sa Panginoon sapagkat kayo ay pinag-isa, kayo ang pinagtipan. Diba kaya kailangan palaging happy? Sana walang dull moments sa inyong dalawa. Bigyan mo sa kanya isang masuyo at matamis na halik. Tatagal-tagalan mo para meron kayong souvenir. Okay?
Always be falling for you.
Finally, thank you Lord kasi ganap ka ng sagot sa dasal ko. You're one of the living proofs of God's love and grace. With you, everything is calm and